Welcome to Sustainable Futures, and this is the energy show where we explore innovative solutions for a better world. Of course, I am your host, Tiana, and today we are discussing the importance of investing in clean cooking technologies. Let's talk about the problem with traditional cooking. We're going to start with the basics. Like, what's the issue with traditional cooking methods? Now, traditional cooking methods using the biomass, the charcoal, or the coal relays, harmful pollutants, contributing to indoor air pollution, respiratory disease, and even deforestation. That's staggering. Like, how many people are affected? It's a lot, actually. Benefits of clean cooking technologies. Now, what benefits do clean cooking technologies offer? We're going to be talking about this right now. Okay. Now, they reduce the indoor air pollution, improve health outcomes, and mitigate climate change. Plus, they enhance energy efficiency and reduce the fuel costs. Examples of clean cooking energies are solar ovens, the biogas stoves, the electric induction cookers, and improved cook stoves. So, how can we invest in clean cooking technologies? Governments, the private sector's entities, and international organizations can provide funding subsidies and policy support. Now, what role can the individuals play? Individuals can support the organizations working on clean cooking initiatives. They can help spread awareness and make conscious choices about the energy use. Should we talk about the impacts if we invest in clean cooking technologies? Now, it can improve health, reduce poverty, and promote sustainable development. It's an opportunity for a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous future. Now, let's join the movement towards clean cooking and support initiatives and even advocate for policies promoting clean cooking. Now, thanks for tuning in to Sustainable Futures on the Energy Show. Join me next time for more conversations on creating a better world. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and to your energy prospects. Alright, I will see you guys on my next one. Till I come your way again, I remain Tiana. Bye, guys.